Hello Key Stage 1 and welcome to your third day of your phonics lessons for your set 3 sounds. We're just going to quickly recap only some of your set 3 sounds today, so pay close attention to which ones I'm going to show you. Are you ready? Fantastic. Now we've got this one that we learnt yesterday. Do you remember what sound that was? Well done, that was our sound. Let's do I say, you say. A better letter. A better letter. Well done. We've got a new sound to learn today. And that sound, it's another digraph. Do you remember what a digraph is? Tell an adult that it's nearby. Well done. It is a sound that has 2 letters making just one sound. Our digraph today is ow. I say, you say, ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Well done. Can you see which 2 letters are making up our owl sound today? That's right, we've got an O and a W. They come together to make our owl sound. I'm going to turn over to have a look at the rhyme on the back. And I have got here a brown cow. Or do I say, you say? Brown cow. Brown cow. Superstars, well done. I'm going to pop our new owl sound up here. Get that pen or pencil ready because we're going to have a go at writing it. We don't want that gap, remember, so you need to join your writing together. Watch how I join my O to my W when I write this sound. Okay, you see how I join the O at the top? Why don't you have a try? You can have another watch. And one more. There we go. Lovely. Right, pop that pen or pencil down because we're going to have a go at reading some of our green words with our new ow sound in. Okay. What do we need when we read our green words first of all? What do we need to use? That's right, we need to get our Freddy fingers ready, so make sure they're ready to pinch out those sounds because the first word is coming up. Here we go. My turn first. K, ow, cow. Let's do it together. K, ow, cow. Well done, your turn. Fantastic. Next one. Ow, town. Let's do it together. Ow, town. Well done, your turn. Town, superstars. Another one, oh, quite a few letters in here. Ow, brown. Let's try it together. Ow, brown. Well done, now try on your own. Brown, well done. And last one. I think you can do this one on your own. Let's have a try. Okay, so it's your turn. How, fantastic. Ow, how. Okay, well done. So we sound them out with our Freddy fingers. Now we need to nod those sounds out in our heads before we read the whole word. Give them a shuffle. Okay, get ready to nod those sounds out. Town. Cow. How? Brown. Well done. Okay, I'm going to add in 2 more green words into my pack because we're going to try and read those green words super speedily. So it'll be my turn first, then your turn. How? Brown. Town. Now. Down. Cow. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's give them a little shuffle. Ready? Well done, that was fantastic. Okay, if that was too quick, remember, rewind and have another go. Okay, get that pen or pen ready again, because we need to have a go at writing some of those green words. The first one, like we've done before, we'll do together, and then the second word, I'd like you to try it on your own first. Okay, the first green word I'd like us to write with the ow sound in is town. I say, you say. Town. Town. Well done. And let's sound it out. Ow, Town. Town. I'm going to write that down. Ow. Okay, sound buttons. Dot for the t. A line for our new ow sound. And a dot for the n. Well done. Have you got that? Okay, the word I'd like you to have a go at writing on your own is brown. I say, you say brown. Brown. Okay, sound it out on your Freddy fingers, write it down and pop those sound buttons on. Off you go. Brown. Brown. Okay, if you haven't had enough time, remember, pause the video and write it down and then play again. Okay, brown. 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 And pop those sound buttons on. Dot for the b, dot for the a line for our new ow sound, and a dot for the n. You can tick or fix your work and then give yourselves a big pat on the back. That was another great lesson, and I look forward to seeing you for tomorrow's lesson.